love hosting gatherings but want to add a touch of elegance to your table, French linen tablecloths might just be your new best friend. In this video, we'll explore why French linen tablecloths are all the rage and how they can transform your entertaining experience. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Let's get started. First things first, why French linen tablecloths are a must-have. French linen tablecloths are just plain chic. They drape beautifully, adding a touch of instant elegance to your table without feeling stuffy. Plus, forget about ironing. French linen's natural wrinkles add a relaxed charm that's perfect for a laid-back gathering. They're also a lifesaver for busy hosts. These tablecloths are super durable, so spills and crumbs are no sweat. Plus, they get softer and cozier with every wash, making them even more inviting. And let's not forget the eco-conscious bonus. French linen is a natural fabric, often made with sustainable practices. Feels good for you, feels good for the planet. So ditch the stress and embrace the French linen magic. They'll set the stage for a warm and inviting atmosphere, letting you focus on what really matters, catching up with loved ones and making memories that last. Trust me, these tablecloths are the secret weapon you never knew you needed for effortless entertaining. But what makes French linen different from a regular tablecloth? A beautifully set table enhances the dining experience, and the foundation of that experience often starts with a tablecloth. While standard tablecloths are typically made from cotton or polyester blends, French linen tablecloths offer a more refined touch. The key difference lies in the fabric itself. French linen is known for its natural texture, exceptional durability, and elegant drape. Unlike standard tablecloths, which can feel stiff or synthetic, French linen softens with every wash, adding to its luxurious appeal over time. Its natural wrinkles lend a relaxed yet sophisticated vibe, eliminating the need for constant ironing. Additionally, French linen is often produced using sustainable practices, making it an eco-friendly choice compared to many conventional tablecloths. So, while a standard tablecloth might do the job, a French linen tablecloth elevates your table setting with timeless elegance and practicality. It's not just a tablecloth, it's an experience. Now let's differentiate the types of French linen. First is the French Jacquard tablecloth, which is a true statement piece. Woven on a special loom, they boast intricate patterns and designs that add a touch of grandeur to any occasion. Imagine a table adorned with a Jacquard tablecloth featuring a damask weave or a floral motif. It instantly elevates the setting and creates a feeling of luxury. These are perfect for formal dinners and special celebrations. Next, we have French table linens from Provence. Transport your guests to a sunny French vineyard with tablecloths featuring delightful Provençal prints. Sunflowers, lavender, and olive branches dance across the fabric, adding a touch of whimsical charm to your table. These tablecloths are perfect for casual gatherings or themed dinners, bringing a taste of the French countryside to your home. For those who appreciate understated elegance, French Perle linen is the answer. This beautiful fabric boasts a subtle sheen that adds a touch of sophistication, making it ideal for special occasions or when you want your table to truly shine. The natural wrinkles of French linen complement the elegant sheen of Perle linen, creating a look that's both luxurious and relaxed. Ideal for intimate dinners and elegant brunches, this option offers effortless sophistication. Moving on, let's talk about French country table linens. These linens embrace the rustic charm of French countryside living with classic patterns and muted tones. Often featuring checks, stripes, or subtle floral motifs, they evoke a sense of warmth and comfort, perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere for your guests. They pair beautifully with natural materials like wood and ceramics, creating a cohesive, rustic aesthetic. Great for family gatherings and cozy dinners, these linens make everyone feel at home. Next up, we have French toile table linens. These linens feature charming toile prints depicting pastoral scenes or scenic landscapes. Imagine a tablecloth adorned with a scene of a bustling marketplace or a tranquil countryside cottage. These conversation starters add a touch of whimsy to your table and encourage guests to engage in conversation about the scenes depicted. Perfect for themed parties and afternoon teas, they bring a unique flair to any event. Finally, let's look at French script table linens. For a touch of whimsy and personalization, consider incorporating these alongside your main French linen tablecloth. Napkins or placemats with delicate French script details can complement your tablecloth and add a unique touch to your table setting. Imagine napkins embroidered with bon appetit, or placemats featuring charming French phrases. These details will surely delight your guests and add a touch of whimsy to the atmosphere. Ideal for intimate dinners and casual gatherings, they make your table setting uniquely yours. Beyond the tablecloth, there is also the power of French linen accents. First, let's talk about French linen napkins. These are the unsung heroes of the table setting. French linen napkins offer a luxurious and comfortable alternative to paper napkins, elevating the dining experience for your guests. They come in a variety of sizes and colors, allowing you to complement your tablecloth or create a contrasting accent. Imagine the delight of using a beautifully soft French linen napkin after a delicious meal, a touch of luxury that speaks volumes about your attention to detail. Next, consider incorporating French linen placemats for a more layered look. These provide a base for your tableware, protecting your table surface and adding another layer of texture. French linen placemats come in a variety of styles, from classic solids to pattern options. They can match your tablecloth for a cohesive look or offer a contrasting color or pattern for a touch of visual interest. Lastly, a French linen table runner can be a stunning centerpiece for your table, especially if you're using a smaller tablecloth or no tablecloth at all. Imagine a long, flowing French pearl linen table runner cascading down the center of your table. The subtle sheen of the pearl linen adds a touch of elegance, while the natural wrinkles of the fabric provide a relaxed and inviting aesthetic. Table runners also offer a practical benefit. They can help protect the most used portion of your table surface. By incorporating these French linen accents, you can elevate your tablescape beyond just the tablecloth. The combination of textures and subtle variations in color creates a visually interesting and sophisticated setting, all while maintaining the effortless elegance that French linen is known for. Plus, these elements add a touch of comfort and luxury for your guests, making their dining experience even more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.